Okay, I see a lot of videos, so I'm just going to do a real quick review on some weapons. This is my Daisy Powerline 201. I don't really like this gun. That's how you cock it, by this little lever right here. You push it forward, just going on. Kind of sucks, to be honest. This is my Daisy. It is a 15X CO2 powered gun. As you can see by this little, I forget what they call this thing. You just clip these little, take these little sides off here. Your CO2 stays in there. This is my Crossman. I forget what model number. Oh, 1088. Okay, I'm big on Crossman. I love Crossman. This is a little holster thing. So it's spin thing, kind of like a revolver. It's not a holster. It's a. I think this is your clip. And that's how you put the weapons in there. Hard to put the rounds. That's hard. This is my, what is it, Cyber Strike shotgun. Yeah, not really. I don't really like it, but take the magazine out like this. This little button right here. Holds 12 rounds in it, and in the back of the mag, or the side of it, slide this little thing here, right there, and it holds extra rounds inside the magazine. This is my Mossberg rifle. It works the same as the Cyber Strike one does. This is my Daisy Buck. Here. You cock it by this. You just pump it in this little spot right here. You slide it up. That's where you put your rounds in it. This is the Colt MK. It's got a little laser sight on it. Drop the mag with this little button here. See? Not really too big on that one either. I mean, like I said, this is a Colt 1911. Same features. That's how you drop the mag. It's also got a little laser. See? Again, another Colt 911. Still have the mag in it. Alright. You have the, what is this, the Stinger. Okay. It's the Colt Stinger P311. It's not a Colt. It's made by KWC. Same features. They drop the mag out. Got a working hammer, which I really like. Safeties, most of these safeties are in the same spot. Well, that's how you take it apart. Safety on this one here. This little spot right there. Oh my god. Basically, the only Colt and the safety on this is this little toggle switch right here, the black one. That's the safety on this. This is called the Big Sour P226. Pull this little thing out here. It'll allow you to take your weapon apart. See? Just then pull it out. Drop the mag. Separate the gun. They do that for cleaning purposes. You can oil the weapon, do whatever. This is my favorite little sucker right here. It's called the Compact 45. Again, drop the mag out. This one's cool though, because it's got a little switch on it, and inside there is where you put your rounds for extra storage. And right here, this little thing is how you load them. I like this one. Most of these are really lightweight. A lot of them are Walmart guns. They're not really too good. This one I don't really like, only because this is how you load the gun. On this little, on your front side here, on your, you just pull it forward, and that's where the rounds go. Then you slide it back. Those jam up a lot. Cyber Strike. It's alright. I mean, not too hard to pull the trigger on this thing or anything like that. It's okay. This one, you take the mag out by doing this. You hit this little switch here, you pull the mag out, but it's a really, really small mag. You only have like 10 shots or something. Generally, the range of these weapons, I want to say is anywhere from 250 to 300 with the rifles being a little bit more, but not by much. I said I don't really like this one because of how it's loaded and it jams a lot. Cheap gun, small mag. Don't really like it. This one's okay. It's got the option for you to be able to take it apart. It's alright. Not too bad. This one is my favorite because it's smaller, it's lightweight, and if you get into a situation where you run out of rounds with your primary, you can carry a couple little handguns on you, you know, like I said, in case you get into a situation where your primary runs out or something like that. Basically, you've got something to get you out of trouble, or at least, you know, put some, what that one thing that I learned in the military was, you can't hit the, like if it's a moving target and you're having trouble hitting it, you can always just put some rounds up, you know, get it to where they're distracted or something, and go for cover and reload your primary while you're popping off some rounds, you know, just to keep them under cover so that they're not firing. You know, Colt 911s or 1911s, sorry, don't really cheap. They break a lot. I'm gonna be honest. I've been through 2 of them, and one of the 3 that I have now is breaking. Again, just a quick weapon, grab, bam, bam. You know, put some rounds in the air while you're trying not to get shot. You know. basically, I mean, Colt's okay. I don't really like Colt too much. Like I said, their guns are cheaper. It sort of allows, you know, it's more affordable. That way you can pick up a few of them and not just one or two. And you've got enough to be able to put some rounds in the air just to kind of, you know, have enough time to get out of trouble. So, that's pretty much it. I'll show you a little bit more on the Crossman, my favorite one. You take there's a little indentation there. That's how you take it off. That's where your CO2 goes. That's your little thing you use to put the CO2 in there and pressurize it. As you'll notice, unlike the Daisy, and I'll put these two together in the same thing, even though the Daisy doesn't deserve to be in a picture with the Colt. The Daisy does not have this covered. You know, it just kind of adds to the realism, you know. Looks more like a real gun. Don't bring it in the public. Police officers will probably mistake this for a real gun, and last time I checked, well, number one, you shouldn't be shooting at a cop anyway. Number two, I don't really think that BBs will, you know, be able to compete with what police officers are carrying. So, my recommendation, well, don't bring any of them public, even the clear ones. Like, even the clear ones, I wouldn't bring them either. You never know. I mean, it's easy to not mistake them for a real weapon, but you just never know. But that's pretty much it. All in all, I've got 1, 2, 3. I got about 15. I think it's crazy. Most people I know, or most people that do airsoft, I mean, I've run into people that have like 30 and 40 guns. So, by the way, Pepsi, great drink. I love it. Pepsi throwback, even better. So, I got my Crossman and my Pepsi. And if you try to steal this from me, right here, you're gonna be dead. Pop, 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 pop. No, I don't want to shoot you on Pepsi. I'll just mace you, that's all. Anyway, it's coming about time for me to wrap up this video, so it's 2:40 in the morning. That's why I'm an EMT. I can't help it. I'm a night owl. That's why. But it's 2:40 in the morning, so I'm not firing off any of these weapons. I don't want to wake anybody up. But, yeah. So I guess, well, actually it's 3:01 now. By the way, this phone by Boost Mobile, it's called a Theory. Really, really good phone. I figured I'd promote that too. But anyway, I'm about to get off here, so sub above, you know, above on the screen right there, and comment below. And let me know what you think of the weapons I showed you. If you can suggest any good ones that I didn't have, let me know. I'll buy them.